Counterfeiting is a trillion-dollar industry-wide global issue that affects all. The evidence solution includes 6-part web crawler, AI model, NFTs, geolocation, dashboard, revenue recovery, and counterfeit recycling program. Hypercube leverages Selenium, Scrapey, and Beautiful Soup to proactively crawl the web 24/7 looking for counterfeit listings. This is automated with AI-powered computer vision inspections, identifying brands and keyword manipulation from QR codes, RFIDs, and hologram. The AI model was trained on an e-commerce behavior dataset from Kaggle, pulling purchases and event history data from electronics, cosmetics, and jewelry stores. NLP sentiment analysis could be used to look for fraudulent reviews that are often associated with counterfeit, and building ontology knowledge graphs to detect brand entity. Privacy and federated learning. This allows Hypercube to connect stakeholders and IP brands while also respecting data sovereignty. These smart contracts are tamper-proof, transparent, and traceable, allowing for collaborative data sharing between stakeholders. Privacy and federated learning. This allows Hypercube to connect stakeholders and IP brands while also respecting data sovereignty. These smart contracts are tamper-proof, transparent. Think outside the box and inside the Hypercube. Stakeholders can log into Hypercube with federated learning and multiple user access, for example, buyer, seller, or the transport company. Hypercube's data-driven dashboard provides analytics for IP infringement detection and removal. For example, graphing the total value of enforced listings. Stakeholders will have access to a revenue recovery program, proof of ownership blockchain system, in addition to policy recommendations with a geolocation dashboard. So first we have text analysis. On the left it says input analysis. The user would copy and paste the product listing text to analyze, and then they would look for suspicious text, misspelled letters, whether or not the product is authentic or not, or if there are multiple flags. So example of a listing would be high quality replica Rolex watch. AA quality looks identical to original, only $45 wholesale prices available. So 3 examples. Example 1 of clearly counterfeit. If the text says super cool Gucci and Gucci is spelled with 2 I's, handbag, mirror quality replica inspired by luxury design, blah, 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 that's clearly counterfeit. Example 2, suspicious with misspelling and low price, right? So if it says brand new Nike with 2 E's with the number 1 or something weird, Air Jordan shoes, authentic quality, factory direct sale, special price $30, that's suspicious. On the right, Hypercube would output the analysis results. So for example, counterfeit detected and the percentage, so from 0 to 100%, low, medium, high. And it'll also detect the brand, keywords, analysis, time, and the specific agent that was used. So since we're using an NLP crawler, it can look through the keywords. Like for example, if it says replica or high quality replica or wholesale. Then we have the web crawl search. So the user can type search for potential counterfeits, and the spider will crawl through the web. So for example, if I'm a Rolex brand representative, I type in Rolex Submariner, which is a watch replica, and I'd be able to cap it on how the number of maximum results the crawler can output. Crawl results with Tavili search and LangChain. So Tavili search API is a specialized search engine designed for LLMs and AI agents that provides real-time, accurate, and unbiased information. It's capped at maximum results 2, 4, 5, right? But you can technically put in 1,000 results if you wanted to. The crawl results will return a search summary of the query inputted, the results found. So I select the maximum results 2, it will return 2 results, and then list them as high risk, medium risk, or low risk, and then the risk percentage. And then it'll go over the results that the person searched, right? So if it's authentic, non-authentic, title, brand, suspicious keywords, and then content preview. So say you don't want to crawl through multiple websites, right? Someone just sent you one URL and it looks suspicious. Well, there's a URL analysis tab, and here the user can enter a URL to analyze. So www.whatever.com/product-listing. Click the analyze URL button, and then on the right it will check for counterfeits. So here I'm using dhgate.com/product/luxury men's watch/automatic mechanical watches, right? So you can see the results on the right. It says that it's likely authentic with a risk of low 10%, and it'll show the URL that you entered, and then it went through the AI agent, Hypercube URL analysis agent, went through the entire page, and it's able to analyze the content for suspicious keywords. They also collaborate with brands to sustainably dispose of counterfeit products by recycling or upcycling with carbon credit ESG reporting. In the interest of time, here is the go-to-market strategy, anti-counterfeiting policy campaign, business model, in addition to our next step. Counterfeiting is